So we are actually already almost ready to leave Turkey, to leave Fethiye. Our next destination will be Belgrade, Serbia. So I am living a nomad life right now. I had a pituitary gland tumor and I got treatment in Istanbul, and then we came down to Fethiye here, and now we are ready to live here. So while we were living here for 2 months, we actually have a barbecue outside. Here you can see it, we have a barbecue. We're on the top floor, we have a balcony with a barbecue. Yes, yes. So of course, we made some barbecues. So in this video, I'm just gonna show you some cool stuff we put on the barbecue video, nomad barbecues. Okay, so here is some beef fat left over, and we're actually gonna use that on the paper. So here's the paper with the beef fat. Now we're gonna put the kindling on it, as he does it. I'm filming. We already used that one, so we don't have to clean it anymore. Airflow is all the way open. What a feast! Look at this. Well, I'm actually still eating, but Paul is already done. And when we barbecue, we always try to put a lot of meat, fish, whatever on the barbecue. So we also have some leftover, like there are still 2 whole fish and this here and that here. This is really nice, living at the place with a barbecue, and I don't even mind that here we only have this one heating pad. And there's also this little oven here, so I don't even mind that, at least at barbecue. So I hope in the future we will have more places with barbecues and we can do more barbecues. We'll see. Don't forget to subscribe here, click that bell button for notifications. Stay happy, stay healthy. See you next time. As mentioned, next destination, Belgrade, Serbia. Don't try to follow me on Instagram. My account got completely deleted despite the 180 days warning.